Related to this, currently our basic consciousness is imbued with taking pleasure, Prabhu. Like you said, we are all Anandamaya. So our faith is in where I get pleasure. So now currently at the neophyte stage, because you said my consciousness is numbed, but not because when
Not
I
currently. Currently or eternally, whether in the spiritual world or in the material world, your tendency is to take internal pleasure. I'm correcting.
yes,
Is to take internal pleasure. The difference is how you deal with the outside. To take pleasure from outside or to give pleasure outside you. Continue.
So now, even if I hear the Hare Krishna mantra, because you said taking pleasure, now I take pleasure from the outside material world. Now, when I hear the Hare Krishna mantra, I'm not getting any pleasure because I've not put any pleasure there. So basically, I can define like wherever I put pleasure, I get pleasure. So
It is a fact also.
yes, bro.
Wherever you put pleasure only, you get pleasure. Even if you are getting pleasure in bhakti, because you put pleasure only, he also adds there.
So then I put pleasure on material things, I get pleasure. Why should I chant Hare Krishna mantra?
Because answer is, when you put pleasure, you are ultimately, the pleasure that you enjoy is not the pleasure that you take alone. In a loving reciprocation, you take pleasure. The object of love takes pleasure in giving you pleasure. So the pleasure you enjoy is not the pleasure you take. The pleasure you enjoy is what pleasure is given to you. So in the material world, we are only trying to take pleasure from the objects which have no pleasure. All pleasures are achit. There is no pleasure there. So what we are taking pleasure is our hope pleasure. If you understand this scam, you have to understand from the descending process of knowledge. Point number 1, there is no pleasure content in anything material. Take anything, squeeze, is Ananda coming out, you see. Is it an intrinsic property of anything in this material world to have pleasure? Pleasure quality is not there in any matter. Does not exist. But then how are you experiencing? You are experiencing, you are taking pleasure. Your hope pleasure. That is mixed. Okay? That's what you are experiencing in this material world. Therefore, all the pleasures in this material world, facilitated by the super soul, illusory pleasure, is actually your own pleasure. Just like a camel is eating thorn, and the thorn is pricking the mouth of the camel, blood is oozing out, nicely it is getting chewed into a nice paste, and the paste is very tasty for the camel because blood is mixed into it, the taste of the blood, its own blood. And then the camel is thinking the thorn is very sweet, very tasty. In the same way, because we take pleasure in something, there is pleasure in this material, in matter. And we are thinking that she gave pleasure. Nothing. Your camel has given its own blood and giving credit to the thorn. Camel has tasted its own blood and it gives credit for the taste to the thorn. This is exactly the way we give credit to the sense objects in this material world. We believe that sense object is giving me pleasure, but it is not, because pleasure is in the mind. That is a one object is pleasure, gives pleasure to one person, same object doesn't give pleasure to another person. The very same eyes, some person will give pleasure, seeing by one person will give pleasure, by seeing by another person doesn't give pleasure. If it is the same object, then it should have. Right? Everybody should see and everybody should get pleasure. That means pleasure is not the property of the object. Pleasure is churned here in the material world. Whereas in the spiritual world, what we are projecting here falsely is true. When I see a person, the person has got pleasure content. When I see anything in the spiritual world, when I hear anything, when I smell anything, when I taste anything, the pleasure is in the object of smell, object of taste, object of, because it's a spiritual person. That is the reason in the material world we have tendency to give credit to the object, because in the spiritual world it is true. Here it is a lie, there it is true. So chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you chant Hare Krishna, you take pleasure in chanting Hare Krishna. What do you take pleasure? You take pleasure in associating, no? As I told you, everything is a person. If you don't take pleasure in associating with Hare Krishna, why Hare Krishna should release pressure for you? Reciprocal, no? Isn't it? If you don't take pleasure in serving me, why I will take your service? Especially if I don't need. God doesn't need anything. So you should take pleasure. So you're taking pleasure meets the pleasure of the Lord. So taking pleasure in serving the Lord is part of bhakti.